In this video, I'll show you how to master the art of chatbot creation and turning your passion into profit. I'll cover everything you need to know to unleash the full potential of AI chatbots. From the basics of chatbot development to advanced techniques of customization and integration, I've got you covered. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, start a side hustle, or even launch a full-fledged AI chatbot agency, I'll provide you with the knowledge, tools, and inspiration you need to succeed in this rapidly growing industry. Let's get started. The tool that we will be using today is called Chatbase. Using Chatbase, you can build a custom GPT, embed it into your website, and let it handle customer support, lead generation, and engage with your users without you having to be involved or present. To get started with this tool, click on Try for free, or you can sign up with your Google account. After creating an account, you will be redirected right here. Over here, click on New Chatbot. Now here is where you'll add your data source to train your chatbot. You can choose to drop files over here. So the type of files you can drop include a Google Docs file, PDF or Word documents filled with information about your company, and you can upload the information right here to train your chatbot. Other options include texts. You can type in your data right here. You can do a Q&A. You can connect to Notion, or you can connect to your company's website. Now, I'm going to use this website as our example. The website sells leather bags and wallets. If I was trying to create a chatbot for this business, here's exactly what I will do. I'll copy the URL to this website. So copy the link and paste it right here. Make sure it's for the entire website. And then when you're done, click on fetch links. After it has completed fetching the links to the website, you will see all the links it fetched from our website. So here are all the links from our site. You can go over each link to ensure it's relevant and delete all the irrelevant links. After you confirm that all the relevant links are included, click on Create Chatbot. Chatbase will begin creating your own AI chatbot. Over here on Settings, here's where you will customize your chatbot. Click on Model, and then over here, give instructions to your chatbot. So over here, you can say, I want you to act as a support agent. Your name is, change the name to the name of the website. We also want our chatbot to help us in selling more of our clients' products. So you can also add these instructions to your chatbot and say, your job is to help customers and sell them leather bags. Ask questions to keep the conversation going and try to sell them a leather bag. If everything is perfect, click on Save. You can also customize the chat interface. You can customize the initial message, suggest a message, you can change the theme. Now to upload the profile picture for our chatbot, I downloaded the logo of our client and then uploaded it on Canva and then made sure it was a square. I downloaded it and then uploaded it on our bot. The display name could be the name of our company. The color, we can use the color of our website. So let us pick this color. This is our color code. The icon, we can use the same image we downloaded from Canva. And then you can align chat bubble button to the right or left. And then if everything looks perfect, click on save. Now on integration, you can choose to add your bot to Zapier for automations, add to Slack or WhatsApp for communication with your team. To embed your chatbot on your site, you'll click on Make Public. To add the chatbot anywhere on your website, you will copy iframe code to your HTML code on your site. If you'd like to share this chatbot with the owner of our website right here, you can copy this link and then share the link with our client. After sharing the link with the client will click the link and this is what the client will see. Now over here, now you can begin interacting with the bot. Let us ask the bot a few questions. So for example, what colors are your leather bags? Click on enter right here. The bot responded to us immediately. It's responding with the colors of the bug: black, brown, and tan. Some are red, blue, and yellow. It's even asking you a question like, is there a particular color you're interested in? So we can say like green. We don't have green leather bags in our collection. So it's even providing you a little bit more information about the bag that you're interested in. And it's even giving you the location and the address of the company. And that's a wrap for today's episode of the AI Chatbot Mastery. I hope you found this video valuable and that it inspires you to take action on your journey to AI chatbot success. Whether you're aiming to automate customer service, streamline business processes, or enhance user experiences, the possibilities with AI chatbots are truly endless. If you enjoyed today's episode and want to dive deeper into the world of AI chatbots, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and hit the subscribe button to stay updated on future episodes. Also, feel free to leave any comment or question below. I love hearing from you. Until next time, keep innovating, keep creating, and keep hustling.